All right, I want to do just a quick video explaining about Allen wrenches and Allen bolts, okay? So these little guys that you might have seen if you've ever put together IKEA furniture are called an Allen wrench, also sometimes called a hex wrench. You can see they have a hexagon shape, and you can use either end of them. They both have a hexagon, and then there are these little bolts, and these are basically what's going to hold all of the parts of your 3D printer together. And there's different sizes. This one is an M5 by 45, okay? And then M5 by 25, so there's different sizes. M4 by 16, okay? M stands for metric. That means it's using the metric system instead of the imperial system. So this is going to be measured in millimeters. And then M5 means it's a 5mm bolt, meaning that the shaft of the bolt, this main part of the bolt, is 5mm wide. And then by 45 means that it's 45mm long. And that doesn't include the head, so that'll just be from where this little washer is to the tip is going to be 45mm, which is like 2 inches, which is about what that bolt is. Now you see that the head of the bolt has a little hexagon shape, and one of these wrenches fits neatly into that hexagon shape. So you can, and again, you can use either end depending on what kind of access you have. Just place the hex end in, and you spin to tighten the bolt and fasten it into whatever you're using. Again, there's a bunch of different sizes. Keep them in the bags so that you know what they are and you don't get them mixed up and you don't get them confused. The instructions are pretty good and clear, I think, about which ones you use for which, but obviously the different sized Allen wrenches are for the different size nuts and bolts, or bolts in this case. I don't think we actually have any nuts that we're using in the assembly. So hopefully that helps you with Allen wrenches and bolts, and we'll jump on to the next topic.